If TikTok keeps saying no network connection even though you're connected to Wi-Fi, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the best fixes that have helped many users get TikTok working again. Make sure you watch until the end because the last solution fixes the issue for many people. Fix 1. Open a browser and search TikTok server status. If the servers are down, you'll have to wait until TikTok fixes the problem. Fix 2. Restart your phone. Hold the power button, tap Restart, reopen TikTok. Fix 3. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Turn the router off for about 30 seconds, turn it back on and reconnect. Fix 4. Force stop TikTok settings. Tap Force Stop. Open the app again. Fix 5. Clear TikTok. Tap Clear Cache. Avoid clearing data unless necessary, as you'll need to sign in again. Fix 6. Update TikTok. Open the Google Play Store. Search for TikTok. Install any available update. Fix 7. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it. Try TikTok again. Fix 8. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Search for Reset network settings. Reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi and test TikTok. If one of these methods fixed your TikTok, let me know in the comments which one worked for you. If it didn't, tell me your phone model and what's happening, and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.